Have you guys seen this brush set by Elbow Grease? I literally was having a nosy in B&M the other day and I came across this brush set and I thought I need to try it out. Like, it gives you 5 pieces and I thought this is actually a great value for money, so I'm going to try it out and see how well it works. I'm actually more excited on trying out the scrubbing brush part. I think it's probably like the most thing that I've seen that is making this different from all the other cleaning tools in the market right now. So I'm going to use the scrubbing brush thing first. What I like about this is you refill it like you would your ordinary Dishmatic, but the difference is you've got 4 different pieces that you can clean with. Like, look how amazing it is working on that tile. So I think this is perfect for heavy duty tasks, tackling grease and tough stains in the kitchen. As you can see here, I was very excited about trying this scrubbing brush. As you can see, I think I can see it working really well on the grout in the bathroom, the tiles, or even the carpet if you've got any stains there. I know I'm only showing you like the brush set, but I was really excited. Look how well it worked on the tiles over here, and I'm also doing the ones over here by the windowsill. But can you actually imagine if I really needed to do some tiles, really dirty tiles that needed some attention? This would work so well with the pink stuff. So I'm looking forward to trying it out. Look forward to a video in the next couple of days, me showing you all the places that I will be using this around the home. So it works so well. And as you can see, it's got the little sponges as well, like almost like similar to the ones that you would have on the Dishmatic, and they work really well on different surfaces. So like here on this microwave, I think this is a very great pack. Like I mentioned, it's 4 pieces of like different scrubbing heads, and they all work differently. So I'll be trying out the metal one, which is like a metal scourer. I can't wait to try that on the oven or pots and stuff like that in the kitchen. So have you guys actually seen this, or am I the only one who's had this? Because I've not actually seen this online or anywhere else, but this is what it actually looks like, and it gives you all the different pieces, like I mentioned, the sponges and this metal scourer. And yeah, I was really excited to try this brush. Like, I think this was the selling point for me. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you on the next video. You guys have a lovely day. Bye.